Dr. Gell. I'm a pediatric oncologist and I work here at UCLA Mattel Children's Hospital. And today we're here in the Clark lab to talk about my research that I do on germ cell tumorigenesis. Most of my time is spent here in the research lab doing stem cell research. One thing that I like to focus on, as most of us do in the pediatric oncology world, is how can we minimize side effects from your treatments, especially if you have sort of a higher stage cancer, then you'll get more therapy, which could lead to more long-term outcomes. So I'm looking at potentially how can we do some added in targeted therapy to minimize the amount of chemotherapy that we give to try to prevent long-term side effects. This is the tissue culture area. These guys are kind of ready to be split into another plate, so they're kind of dense together, but these sort of round colonies are stem cell colonies. A lot of the UCLA labs, we sort of have this open lab forum so that we can sort of share ideas and collaborate with other people. I think because, you know, we all have a special place in our heart for kids and kids with diseases, especially like cancers, but it actually, in the grand scheme of things, when you look at like what the government funds for pediatric research and then pediatric cancer research, is a very small proportion of it. So foundations like Pablove really help us get funds in to get our projects up and rolling. My hope is to continue this research and use stem cells both for germ cells and potentially other types of cancers to really build these models for us to find better therapies using these screening platforms so that we can cure more kids, as well as the kids that we do cure go on to have a happy, healthy life without lots of side effects. We are greatly appreciative of the funding that comes from the Shutterbug program. They make wonderful prints. I've gone to some of the galleries around town, purchased some of the photos, and I'm excited to be having this representative of their great work that they do with photography and giving back to the community. It's really a courageous thing, as they've gone through a big hurdle themselves, then to go back and give back to cancer research is amazing. Hi, I'm Dr. Gell, and my research on germ cell tumors is powered by Pablove.